Welcome back to Wisdom 88 X1R, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of luxury and performance with the all-new 2025 Mercedes Brabus GLE Coupe. This beast is not just a car, it's a statement. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the aggressive lines, bold grille, and sleek headlights command attention. The unique body kit, Brabus badging, and those massive wheels add to its wild presence on the road. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that screams luxury. The seats are incredibly comfortable, providing ample support and adjustability. Everywhere you look, the use of high-quality materials like leather, wood, engine and power. Under the hood, the Brabus GLE Coupe packs a powerful engine. With around 900 horsepower, it's one of the fastest SUVs out there. Driving experience: the drive is exhilarating. The handling is sharp, the acceleration is rapid, and the brakes are incredibly responsive. Sound: the exhaust note is a symphony. It's loud, aggressive, and just what you'd expect from a high-performance vehicle. Trim and metal accents remind you that you're in a premium vehicle. The infotainment system is top-notch, with a large touchscreen, navigation, and all the connectivity options you could desire, making every drive both a pleasure and a breeze. Under the hood, the Brabus GLE Coupe doesn't disappoint. With around 900 horsepower, it's one of the most powerful SUVs out there. The driving experience is nothing short of exhilarating, with sharp handling, rapid acceleration, and incredibly responsive brakes. And let's talk about that sound. The exhaust note is a symphony of power and aggression, perfectly complementing the car's bold personality. But it's not all about power and luxury. The 2025 Mercedes Brabus GLE Coupe is packed with the latest technology and safety features. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, it offers a suite of advanced driver aids. Safety is a top priority, with multiple airbags, a robust frame, and cutting-edge driver assistance systems ensuring peace of mind on every journey. In summary, the advanced features: the Brabus GLE Coupe is loaded with the latest technology. From adaptive cruise control to lane keeping assist, it's packed with driver aids. Safety is a top priority, with multiple airbags, a robust frame, and advanced driver assistance systems. Entry and seating: stepping inside, you're greeted by a luxurious and spacious cabin. The seats are incredibly comfortable, with plenty of support and adjustability. Materials and finishes: the use of high-quality materials is evident everywhere. The leather, wood trim, and metal accents give it a premium feel. Infotainment system: the infotainment system is top-notch, with a large touchscreen, navigation, and all the connectivity options you could want. The 2025 Mercedes Brabus GLE Coupe is the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and technology. It's a true powerhouse on wheels, making it a top contender for anyone in the market for a high-performance SUV. Thanks for tuning into this review. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Stay wild.